What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC, and we wanted to give you guys a little tour of the shop. So come on, let's go check it out. All right, guys, let's head on into the main area. So what happens here is we do alignments, any lift kits, leveling kit, exhaust, mountain balances for wheels and tires. Pretty much anything you can think of goes down here. Let's go check more. Yo, Paul, how's it going with this 4Runner you got here?
Mountain balancing new tires. We're gonna do some trimming in the front to fit. We did a body mount chop previously, and then we're gonna get it back to the customer.
Dale, what's going on? What you up to today?
We're just balancing some tires, putting new TPMSs in.
And what's one of your favorite things working here at KHC?
Probably the customer. They're all pretty cool.